Here's a quick explanation of the top of Google Forms left to right. So, of course, right here is where you title your form. This folder is a way that you can organize your forms and move it to any folder you would like to, or create a new folder. You can star this so you can find it in your drive more quickly. This puzzle piece are add-ons that have been installed. If you don't see the puzzle piece, look forward to me looking at these three dots here to show you how to get those. This customized theme is how you can change the colors and the design and the fonts. The eye is how you can preview what your form is going to look like. I suggest you do that every few questions on the first ones you create. Settings is extremely important. In settings, under general, this is how you turn on collect email responses and if they want a receipt, and also how you change who can access the form. You can also either allow students or families or whoever's taking it edit after submission and see summary. Under presentation, a little nugget a lot of folks forget are the confirmation message. If you're using forms with students, it's always a great idea to say something about, now that you're done, go to, and give them the next step. You can show a link to submit another response. This is great if people are sharing a device. And here's a couple of other options. Quizzes is one of those things that people love. So if you turn it on to make your form a quiz, this is how you can do that automatic grading feature. So that is settings. Send is exactly what it says. You can right away just send this form in an email, and you can include it in an email. That's this icon. You can also add collaborators and quickly send them an email to say, hey, here's our collaborative form. Link right here is a way you can just copy the link, you can shorten it, and you can paste it wherever you'd like to. And here is an embed code so you can put it in your website. Lastly, so we've gone all the way over, these three dots give us even more magic. If you have multiple classes, like middle school or high school, you're going to want to make a copy of your form for each class so that the data stays separated. The next one on here I want to point out is the add-ons. So I mentioned you may not have this puzzle piece here. That's because you haven't added any add-ons to your form. So you can find those here. And the last thing I want to show you are preferences. So again, I'm in the three dots. And when you go to preferences, you can check a few things that will be defaulted. So I have defaulted to always collect email addresses in case I forget a name field. And I also have selected make questions required. I can always turn those off, but this is my default, so I don't have to worry about it.